Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice square root math problem, which is the square root of x plus square root of x minus 9. This is equal to 90. So what is the value of x given that x is not equal to 0? So let's prevent a solution from here. Now, we have the square root of x plus the square root of x minus 9. This is equal to 90. Now, the first step here is to square both sides so that now you find that the square root of x plus square root of x minus 9 raised to the power of 2. This is in the form of a plus b raised to the power of 2. This can be expressed as a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Now applying this algebraic identity, then here we have square root of x raised to the power of 2, then plus square root of x minus 9 raised to the power of 2. Then we have plus 2 into the parentheses. We have the square root of x multiplied by square root of x minus 9. This is equal to 90 raised to the power of 2, and this is equal to 8100. Now the next step from here, let's eliminate the square root sign here so that we have x plus, the same case here, we eliminate the square root sign so that now we have here x minus 9, then plus 2 into the parentheses. We have square root of x times square root of x minus 9. This is equal to 8100. The next step is that x plus x here, this is 2x minus 9. Then plus, here we have 2. Now, square root of x times square root of x minus 9. This is in the form of square root of a multiplied by square root of b, which we can express as a single square root of a multiplied by b. So applying this property, then here we have 2 into the parentheses. We have the square root of x multiplied by x minus 9. This is equal to 8100. The next step from here, let's take 2x minus 9 on the right hand side so that now here we have 2 into the parentheses. Here we have x multiplied by x minus 9. This is equal to 8100. Subtract 2x, then plus 9. So that now here we have 2 into the parentheses square root of x times x. This is x squared. X times minus 9. This is minus 9x. Then this is equal to 8100 plus 9. This is 8109. Subtract 2x. Now we have that 2 times square root of x squared minus 9x. This is actually, in this case, we need to square. Let's square both sides from here. So 2 times square root of x squared minus 9 raised to the power of 2. This is in the form of a multiplied by b raised to the power of n. This can be expressed as a to the power of n times b to the power of n. So this means that here we have 2 squared, which is 4, then multiplied by, now we have the square root of x squared minus 9x raised to the power of 2. This is equal to 8109 minus 2x raised to the power of 2. So let's eliminate the square root sign here so that now we have 4 into the parentheses. This is x squared minus 9x. and this is equal to 8109 minus 2x raised to the power of 2. So from here we have here, this is 4 times x, which is 4x squared, minus 4 times minus x, this is minus 36x. This is equal to, now 8109, this is the same thing as 8109 raised to the power of 2. Then plus, here we have minus 2x raised to the power of 2. This is 4x squared. Then we have, here we have subtract 2 times 8109, then times 2x. Now we have 4x squared minus 36x. This is equal to 8109 raised to the power of 2 plus 4x squared. Remember 4x squared here simplifies so that we have minus 36x. This is equal to, now 8109 raised to the power of 2. This is the same thing as, this is 65,755,881. Then subtract, we have 8109 times 2 times 2x, and this is actually equal to that 2000. We have 436x. The next step is to take minus that 2000 436x on the left hand side, so that here we have minus 36x plus 32,000 436x. This is equal to 65,755,881. So from here we have minus 36x plus 32,000 436x, and this is actually equal to that 400x. This is equal to 65,755,881. So let's divide both sides by that 400. That's 400. So that now, if you simplify here, we have that x here is equal to 2020, that is 2029.5025. So this is the value of x. This is the value of x. So the next step from here, let's verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. Let's verify from here. So if you recall, we have that the square root of x plus square root of x minus 9, this is supposed to give us a value of 90. Substituting x, then we have the square root of 2029 point, we have 5025, then plus, here we have the square root of 2029.5025, subtract 9, this should give us a value of 90. So we have that the square root of 2029.5025, this is equal to 45.05. Then plus here, this is the same thing as square root of 20.5025. This is supposed to give us a value of, so here we have 45.05, then plus, now the square root of 2020.5025, this is equal to 44.95, and this is supposed to give us a value of 90. So 45.05 plus 44.95, this is exactly equal to 90, and this is equal to 90. So this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that the value of x, which is equal to 2029.5025, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps. Like this video and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.